Hey, I'm Anna, and here's a quick Synthesia product demo. Start by selecting an AI avatar.
Like me.
Or me.
Or me.
Then type in text in over 65 languages.
And choose a narration style or local accent.
When you're ready, add your text, shapes, and other design elements. Choose a font or upload your own. You can also upload other brand assets, such as your logo, which you will find here for any future videos. Position everything easily thanks to the snapping function. If you need, you can also add a soundtrack. Next, start adding and styling visual elements. You can upload your own images and videos or select from our free media library with over 1 million assets. Alternatively, you can save time and get started with a fully customizable template. Once selected, here's how easy it is to customize it. Start by changing colors in bulk to match your brand identity. Add your logo and change the text elements. Add images, videos, infographics, or other media content, and add finishing touches. You can also record quick videos of your screen with a built-in screen recorder, so you don't have to jump in between apps. Trim and crop your recording and adapt it to your slide. When you're ready, click Generate Video and include or exclude automatic closed captions. Once your video is generated, you can download, share, or embed it. And if you need to make a change, you can simply duplicate, make adjustments, and generate a new video in minutes. And that's it. Try it for yourself today. Ciao, ciao.